everyone. Today on my channel we are going to bake an amazing fudge with only 4 ingredients. We are going to make white chocolate Oreo fudge. So let's get started. So firstly what we are going to do, just into a saucepan of simmering water, I have kept my heat proof bowl, and into this I will be adding some butter. And into this butter, I'm going to be adding some white chocolate. Next, into this chocolate and butter mixture, I'm going to add some sweetened condensed milk. I'm using here Amul Mithai Made. You can use any other brand of condensed milk. Now we want to gently give this a mix around. You can see here we want it to melt down, but do this over low heat. Don't do this over high heat. So you can see here it's nice and thick and really fudgy. So that's exactly what we are looking for. Now we are going to be adding in our Oreos. Now you could use any other cookie for this if you want to. I've got some Oreos here, and now I don't want to crush them up. I sort of want them to be chunky bits, so I'm going to leave them in there like this. Now I'm just roughly breaking the Oreos and adding them to the fudge. Now I've added 10 Oreo cookies here. If you want it more chunky, you could use more Oreos in there. Now just gently stir them through. It's all mixed up, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Now place the fudge into a square cake tin lined with baking paper. Now press down and smooth out the fudge with the help of a spatula. Now we are going to place this into the fridge for about 4-hour wait, and then carefully remove. And then slice up. You can keep the size as per your choice. So now what we have to do is just get stuck into this bad boy. Now just 4 ingredients in the fudge, and it is so good. It is just amazingly good. Do make this and keep this in the fridge or the freezer, and for whenever there are friends or some guests around, you can just serve them. and they are going to love it. Now, sometimes I gift it to family and friends, and what I do is I just wrap the fudge individually in baking paper. You can even store this in butter paper like this. Now, if you have to gift this, just wrap some thread or some decorative thing around it, or you can use these decorative tapes to secure the baking paper around the fudge. Now, this is usually how I gift it to my friends on Diwali or Christmas. So I love the texture of this fudge. It's of course very sweet because it's fudge, it's not salad, dear friends. So just take it easy, just have only one or maybe less than that, and keep it as some kind of treat for you and your family. I hope you like the recipe. Do give it a try. I'm sure everyone is going to fall in love with this one. So until next time, this is Dipali from dipaliori.com.